pandemic, which has left many hospitals overwhelmed with patients, the Covid-19 Isolation and Treatment Center in Nyatike sub-county of Migori County is yet to admit any patients. The Chief Officer for Health Pauline Amolo attributes this to the uptake of home-based care for Covid-19 patients. Now, let's have a look at the level of preparedness of Migori County in battling Covid-19. The country's death toll resulting from the Covid-19 pandemic has surpassed the 2,300 mark, with over 140,000 positive cases reported so far, a clear indication that the blades of the Covid-19 pandemic keeps getting sharper. A raft of measures have been put in place by the government to contain the spread of this deadly virus, which has proven to be the biggest test on the country's healthcare system. With a surge in the positive cases, hospitals across the counties are increasingly becoming overwhelmed, with some unable to admit patients in need of critical care due to the shortage of ICU beds and oxygen ventilators. Ironically, though, in Migori County, the silence at one of the Covid-19 treatment centers in Nyatike sub-county is deafening. The 300-bed capacity facility, situated several kilometers off Migori town, is yet to admit any patients. According to the county's Chief Officer for Health, Pauline Amolo, absence of patients at the facility has been influenced by the uptake of home-based care for Covid-19 patients.
18 patients isolated at the GK prison, but we are yet to receive patients in Nyatike. And I think this is because right now we are focusing on home-based isolation and care for any person who tests positive to COVID.
She says that 13 patients are, however, admitted at the county's other treatment center at Migori GK prison.
We are only admitting those patients who require critical or additional care within the facilities. And for that, Nyatike is well equipped. And we also have set aside the critical care unit here at MCRH in the event that we receive such patients.
Recently, the county governor, Okoth Obado, gave the assurance that the county has stepped up efforts to contain the spread of the deadly virus.
We are prepared. In terms of the number of isolation beds that were directed earlier by the president, we managed to obtain that level of preparedness. Na hakuna kitu imeharibika mpaka sasa hivi.